We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here, Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam with the Color LaserJet Pro M252. So what you're going to do, you want to pull this tray out. If you see it right here, you can go ahead and gently pull it up and out. If you don't see it, you're going to want to pull this door down. Go ahead and pull your toner tray out. Pick up the last one. It's going to be your yellow cartridge. And then you're going to look in here. If you see the paper right here, then you can just pull it out from there. But if you don't see it, then it's already fed through the back. So you're going to want to open your back door. Should be fairly easy to open. And then go ahead and just pull your paper up and out. Make sure that you always pull slowly. You never want to yank your paper. If you do, it could rip a little piece off and it could get stuck in there and cause further paper jams. And also you want to make sure to follow the natural paper path, because if you don't, it could damage sensors and cause further problems with your printer. If you're in need of a supplier quote, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.